Here it is up close. It is pretty tall, but I love that it's like waist height, which is super nice, really easy to sit up on. And these are really comfortable, by the way. They all are padded. You can remove these as well. This is a nice cup holder on the side. It does collapse where you can move it up like this. And then this is gonna be just a side pocket here. And there's a lot of different options here. You can have another drink in here, your cell phone, any smaller stuff in here. Here's the back of it. It's really stable, doesn't move around or slide at all. And then I love that there's also the stabilization bar right here, and you can also stand up on this to get up, which is super cool. But I love this, really nice for camping and outdoors, and I would definitely recommend it.